want to tell?
You should go.
We met at a friend's party. So उसमें मतलब मेरे फ्रेंड्स के फ्रेंड्स आए थे और इसके ये उनके साथ आई थी बेसिकली. So we just like talked for a bit and then we started dancing. And then next day I sent her a follow request on Insta.
And
After
then
that we
you
yeah
kept
we
messaging
continue.
me for some time.
Yeah.
So like we met, actually we met on the 1st of 2022. Like
1st January.
yeah, 1st January. So like at the beginning of the year. और मतलब पहले तो लाइक वी थॉट कि ऐसे मिल लेते हैं कुछ करके, बट देन दैट लाइक दैट मीटिंग सीम्ड स्पेशल टू अस. वो उसी टाइम पे लग रहा था कि ना वेरी गुड स्टार्ट टू द ईयर, सो वी फेल्ट रियली गुड अबाउट इट. And from there, here we are getting married in 24 2 years. So yeah, like it's been a good ride.
You were the one that I found. Solavanda solitepo. Why didn't you tell me enough? Solavanda solitepo. I ponder in closure. Remember the world that is out there for me to find. Let me go passing by. Let me go, come back in time. Let me be who I am all through this time. Let me go passing by. Let me go, come back in time. Walk in the dark, barefoot in the night. Walking down the way that I found. In the ulagam naan sutta vendum. Faces with smiles all around. In the vahanam naan paakka vendum. I'll run free into the sea. World and me don't even know what I will find. Let me go passing by. Let me go, come back in time. Let me be who I am all through this time. Let me go passing by. Let me go, come back in time. Walk in the dark, barefoot in the night. दिल मेरा खोया, दिल मेरा सोया, दिल मेरा खोया.
After 6 months probably. After meeting 6 months.
It took you 6 months.
Yeah. 6 months is a very less time for guys.
What?
But I don't remember the exact moment, but we started vibing a lot and I started enjoying her company. तो उस टाइम धीरे धीरे ऐसे लग रहा था, बट फॉर मैरिज ऐसे मुझे लगा कि शी माइट बी द वन. तो 6 महीने के बाद फिर हमने इस बारे में डिस्कशन करना स्टार्ट कर दिया था.
Right. For yeah, so like it's kind of same, but like मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा we had this thing because like we're from different states, तो वो मुझे दिख नहीं रहा था end goal कि वो हो पाएगा कि नहीं. So I didn't want to get ahead of me, but मतलब we had a lot of feelings towards each other. तो once we were sure about each other, then we kind of started telling our parents, कुछ dropping some hints and things like that. So yeah, it took some time, like 4 or 5 months, it was lesser for me, maybe. But I thought like I want to end up with this guy this time pe, yeah.
ਮੇਰੀ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਜਿੰਦ ਕੱਢ ਲੈ ਓ ਹੋ ਮੇਰੀ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਜਿੰਦ ਕੱਢ ਲੈ ਆਏ ਹਾਏ ਓ ਮੇਰੇ ਯਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਮੰਦਾ ਨਾ ਬੋਲੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਜਿੰਦ ਕੱਢ ਲੈ ਮੇਰੀ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਜਿੰਦ ਕੱਢ ਲੈ ਓ ਹੋ ਮੇਰੀ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਜਿੰਦ ਕੱਢ ਲੈ ਆਏ ਹਾਏ ਓ ਮੇਰੇ ਯਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਮੰਦਾ ਨਾ ਬੋਲੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਜਿੰਦ ਕੱਢ ਲੈ
थॉट कि ये अपने पेरेंट्स को बता देगी, उसके बाद इट माइट टेक सम टाइम बिकॉज डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड एंड ऑल। तो हमें लगा कि बहुत टाइम लगेगा कि मम्मी पापा मानेंगे, कब मानेंगे जाके। अभी 2-3 साल हैं शादी को, बट इसके मम्मी पापा जल्दी मान गए जितना हमने एक्सपेक्ट किया था उससे पहले
दे वर लाइक कि नो ये काफ़ी डिफरेंट हो जाएगा हमारे लिए, बिहार नहीं है ये सब। एंड देन नेक्स्ट मंथ दे आर लाइक लेट्स गो मीट हिम, लेट्स गो मीट द बॉय। सो उस टाइम हमें मतलब वी वरंट दैट रेडी ऑल्सो कि तुरंत शादी करनी है, तो वी टुक आवर टाइम। तो अब हमारा नाउ लाइक लास्ट 6-7 months I'm 100% sure, obviously we know that you know we're gonna be together, मतलब very comfortable with each other. I already feel like we're married. काफ़ी लोगों को लगता है कि हम already married हैं शायद क्योंकि हम इतने टाइम से रह रहे हैं, फैमिली भी एक साथ, we spend a lot of time साथ में। तो ऐसे
she is very caring and she she gets together with everyone very easily and it's hard for me, but इसमें वो quality है।
हाँ, you never told me.
I'll charge more. चाह तुझे है दिल ने कुछ ऐसे साथ तेरा हो हर जहां है, इब्तिदा में तू हो इंतहा भी, राहों का तू रहनुमा है, तू है शामिल मेरी दुआ में, हर कदम तू आसरा, हर एक मंजिल मुझे हो हासिल हो अगर तू आशना।
I don't express my feelings, and she thinks ki why is he not explaining and all. But I care about her, but sometimes I'm not able to express. But I just want to tell her ki I love her a lot, even when I'm not explaining, and even in fights and all.
Yeah, so for me, I think I express a lot. Actually, I think मैं already काफी I do show love, but I want to tell you that I'm gonna I just want to take care of you and be there for you, and I'm going to do it, and I mean it. Like this is, I'm just getting emotional actually talking about this, but yeah, he means a lot to me. And I've already said it many times, so there's nothing left for me to tell him. But yeah,
So like formal proposal, it was like 3 months back. So we were meeting her brother, and like I planned the whole thing, and at the end moment her brother cancelled. But I told her ki we are going to meet him only. Then we went to a place, and there was this whole setup. I had her name written in flowers and all, but she was not expecting it. And then I took her there, and then I went down on my knees. Even then she was surprised कि ऐसा तो ये कर ही नहीं सकता, ये मुझे surprise तो देगा ही नहीं.
the
So
thing
at
is,
that time I proposed.
yeah, like we tell each other everything. So मुझे मतलब believe नहीं हो रहा था कि ये इतनी बड़ी ये इसने अपने तक रख लिया without telling me. Like if he gets me a gift, he'll tell me कि oh I got you something, और ये मतलब काफ़ी हम excited हो जाते हैं और एक दूसरे को बता देते हैं पहले. So that kind of surprise I didn't expect from him, and I thought किसी और का proposal चल रहा है, some other Surbi, and he's like why are you taking me there, and he's like नाम पढ़ो, and then he went down on his knees. So I gave a bad reaction because I just couldn't process कि हो क्या रहा है, how did he pull it off, like yeah, that was really sweet and I didn't expect a lot. So yeah,
And he wanted to change him like after the marriage.
not at all. Like I love him the way he is. Maybe like not put charger on my side of the bed, your laptop charger. Just yeah. Other than that,
Happy
we're
now.
good. Yep. Do you want to change anything?
No,
Yeah,
nothing that I can think of right
think
now.
about that thing.
Yeah, I just don't want the charger thing. That really want I just want you to put your charger on your side. Yeah, that's it.
रंग सारी गुलाबी चुनरिया रे, रंग सारी गुलाबी चुनरिया रे, मोह मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे, मोह मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे.
like after 10 years after?
Okay, I'll start. So I want to tell you that like after this, I have pictured our life in like a beautiful way. So you know, we'll travel, we'll do everything, we'll do like accomplish our goals together, and yes, be happy together.
So what I've thought after marriage is that we are going to be very rich. That's what I've thought.
That we have to be rich
Yes.
together.
Nothing.
What is the
Everything
last liner? Like anything you wanted to give any liner for like your story? Anything in your mind?
Liner.
Like a one-liner kind
Yeah.
of thing.
Yeah.
2 states.
No, like it was everyone was really supportive. हमारे पेरेंट्स भी जैसा हमने एक्सपेक्ट किया था, our friends. So I think like we are blessed is the kind of wedding. Like everybody getting a lot of love, no complaints, like no problems at all. Like it's amazing. Life is beautiful. That's it.
That's all.
Copy paste.
Yeah.
खड़ा हूँ आज भी वहीं कि दिल फिर बेकरार है। खड़ा हूँ आज भी वहीं कि तेरा इंतजार है। छू लो जो मुझे तुम कभी, खो न जाऊं मैं रात दिन नजरों में तुम हो बसे।
Listen, guys, she's wearing makeup. Please don't start something. You didn't catch me enough.
मेरे हो बस तुम मेरे, कह दो जो तुम एक बार, मेरे हो बस तुम मेरे, नजरों में तुम हो बसे। खड़ा हूँ आज भी वहीं, लगी तेरी ही आस है। कैसी है ये बेबसी, ये कैसी दिल की प्यास है। छू लो जो मुझे तुम कभी, खो न जाऊं मैं रात दिन नजरों में तुम हो बसे। कह दो जो तुम एक बार, मेरे हो बस तुम मेरे, नजरों में तुम हो बसे। रह जाऊंगा यूं ही, बस यूं ही, बस यूं ही। रह जाऊंगा यूं ही, बस यूं ही, बस यूं ही। रह जाऊंगा यूं ही, बस यूं ही, बस यूं ही। रह जाऊंगा यूं ही, बस यूं ही, बस यूं ही। छू लो जो मुझे तुम कभी, खो न जाऊं मैं रात दिन नजरों में तुम हो बसे। कह दो जो तुम एक बार, मेरे हो बस तुम मेरे, नजरों में तुम हो बसे। हौले से सिरहाने में रख कर ये यादें
मेरे मन की झोली में छोड़ कर ये यादें, आँखों से ओझल हो न जाना तू साथी, उड़ता सा बादल हो न जाना। धागा ये टूटे ना ये धागा, बरसों की यादों का ये धागा। धागा ये टूटे ना ये धागा, नाजुक से वादों का ये धागा। तूने आकर जोड़ा, तेरे हाथों से मैं बना था। तेरा था जो हुआ जब मेरा वो, लगा तेरे बिन अधूरा। दुनिया ये मेरी तुझसे